Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can keep the leading zeros in the Google Sheets. So as you know, if you want to add or keep leading zeros in Google Sheets, when you try to enter zero before any other numbers, for example, like this, and when you hit on enter, then the zeros will be disappear. So how you can keep it on the Google Sheet? So what you need to do, there are two methods. The first one is you can use the apostrophe before the zeros. Just add the apostrophe and write the zero, then the number, just like this, and the zeros will still be there. Or you can also go with this. Let's try to write the number first. Like this. So what you need to do is change the format of the number. Click on format, number, and change it into plain text. So when you do that and you want to add zero in front of the number, just like this, the zero will still be there. And so that's pretty much all. That's how you can keep leading zeros in Google Sheets. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.